Hello, we're going to be adjusting Amy with the arthro-stem. It's a very gentle adjustment. It gets the bone moving in the correct direction. And from the x-ray that we take, we're going to correct a few things on Amy. Okay, tuck your chin down. So we're going to adjust the C2, C3, C4. Then she's going to look up to help with the neck and extension. She's going to tuck the chin down. We're going to go under C6 to get it moving, and then back into extension. And on her x-ray, she has a right C2 spinous, so we're going to be adjusting the C2 spinous right to left. And then we're going to have her tuck her chin down. We're going to bring the C2 into extension to bring the cervical curve in, C7 into extension. And that's it. So that allows things to get in better movement, better position, which helps get to the cause of the scoliosis. We know that when your neck is out of alignment, it affects the postural control centers. So this part of the adjustment, which we call the fix, is the single most important part of the visit. All right, thank you.